Yo, what's up guys, this is Aprex here. Welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be taking a look at the brand new features in the latest version of Skyline Edge, which is the Skyline Edge version 63. You will notice that the UI has changed a little bit, not major change, but like all the icons have moved up a little bit. But one major feature has been added now which will be helpful to many of us, the save data feature. So if you just go ahead and hold any game which you'd like to play, for example this is Pokemon Scarlet, you will see there are these settings as usual, but below that we have the save management option which has been recently added. So now we can import our save file, export or delete the save file directly in the Skyline main menu. So if I click on the export button, you will see it will be converted into a zip file format where you can just save it to your Android device. So I have stored this save file to my device natively, and let's try importing it now. So I'll just go ahead and click on this import button. Afterwards, just open the directory where you stored this zip file. We'll click on it, and as you can see, our save file should be successfully imported. Now if we just go ahead and click on this settings, you can enable custom settings depending on the game. For example, the settings which we enable in this option right here are universal to all games. Or you can just go ahead and customize settings depending on the game. For example, if you try playing Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu with dock mode enable, it will not work. So for that you have to go to the main settings of Skyline Emulator, disable dock mode, then re-enable it. If you are trying different game, that is no longer an issue. You can just go ahead and hold the game which you want to test out. Afterwards, go to settings, enable custom settings, disable dock mode, apply the best settings, for example aspect ratio, stretch to fit, add separate GPU drivers for separate games. For example, there are few games which work only with turnip driver. There are also few games which only work with drivers like Qualcomm version 676, which are specific to Pokemon Scarlet. So you can customize that as well. Disable frame throttling, amazing option if you want to test out a specific game. Execute a slot count scale, set it accordingly. Use direct memory import, and again, as you know, there are few games which do not work with this option enabled. For example, in Pokemon Sword, if you enable use direct memory import, you might get a black screen. So disabling it is also a great option. Afterwards, we'll enable free cache texture memory, enable fast GPU readback and writes, and those are the custom settings which I have set for this game. We can also reset custom settings. We can copy global settings as well. We can also search for settings and enable them manually. This new update definitely adds some useful features which are very necessary in case of testing specific games on Skyline Emulator. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. If you are new here, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notifications because I bring similar videos on my channel. And let's see how much time does it take to open Pokemon Scarlet on my Android device. Also, we are getting 162 FPS. Let me connect the gamepad. It looks very beautiful now. So Skyline Emulator has definitely improved quite a lot. I definitely recommend you guys to try out this Skyline Edge version 63 latest version. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.